Meaning of long range.
Long range.
Long range.
Long range.
Long range. Long range generally refers to a distance or period of time that is relatively long or far-reaching. For example, in the context of military or aviation technology, long range may refer to weaponry or aircraft that are capable of traveling long distances without refueling. In the context of communication, long range may refer to a device or signal that is able to reach a distant location or travel over a great distance. The exact definition of long range may vary depending on the specific context in which it is used.